Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate sum of odd and even integers of first n natural numbers using while loop. Here I am having variable n equal to integer of input of up to which natural number and question mark. I am closing the input statement and closing the int function. The input function will display the string up to which natural number in the user's console. When user enter a value, input receives as a string, int function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. Now I am initializing a variable I equal to 1 and odd underscore sum comma even underscore sum equal to 0. Here I am writing a while loop while I less than or equal to n colon. If this condition is true, the control will come inside the while loop. For the scope of the while loop, you have to give a indentation. That means the statement will come under the while loop if it is indented. Here I am writing if I modulo 2 double equal to 0 colon. Double equal to is a comparison operator. Modulo operator will divide I by 2 and return the remainder. If it is 0, I am adding it in the even sum. Even underscore sum equal to even underscore sum plus I. That means when you divide any even number by 2, it will always return a remainder 0. If this condition is true, the value of the I will get added in the variable even sum, existing value of even sum plus I. If this is false, I am going to else part, else odd underscore sum equal to odd underscore sum plus 1. If the remainder is not 0, when you divide I by 2, remainder is not 0, odd numbers will not return remainder 0. I am adding the value with the odd sum, existing value of odd sum plus I will get added. So next I am going to increase the loop variable, that is I equal to I plus 1. I am increasing the loop variable. So the loop will go from 1 to n. Every I value is performed I modulo 2. The remainder is 0, it is added in the even sum. If the remainder is not 0, it is added in the odd sum, then I will get incremented. So again, the value of I less than or equal to n will be checked. If this is true, control will come here to perform the same calculation and add the I value in the even sum or odd sum based on the remainder is 0 or not. So loop will go from 1 to n. So after the complete execution, the numbers from 1 to n, natural numbers from 1 to n, they are added in the appropriate even sum and odd sum, and final value is stored in the even sum and odd sum. So I am coming out of the while loop and printing the result. Print double quotation the sum of even integers is closing the double quotation and printing even sum, even underscore sum. So a string will get printed. The sum of even integers is the value stored in the variable even sum will get printed here. Next I am printing the odd sum like this. Print the sum of odd integers is, I am closing the double quotation followed by odd underscore sum. So this is the program. I'm obtaining the range up to which natural number from the user. I'm storing it in the variable 1. I'm initializing the loop variable 1. I'm initializing the variable odd sum, comma even sum equal to 0. Here I'm checking I less than or equal to n. So initial I value is 1. If it is true, I'm checking if I modulo 2, the remainder is 0. I'm adding the I value in the even sum. Remainder is not 0. I'm adding the I value in the odd sum. Next, I value will get incremented and the condition will be checked. If this is true, the statement will get repeated. The loop will go up to 1 to n, and appropriate even numbers are added in the even sum and appropriate odd numbers are added in the odd sum. So it calculates the sum of the even numbers and odd numbers and storing it in the variable even sum. That means the even numbers are stored in the even sum, odd numbers are stored in the odd sum. And after the loop, control will come out and print the sum of even integers is followed by the variable even sum, and that means the value in the variable even sum will get printed after the string the sum of even integers. Likewise, the sum of odd integer is, that means the value in the odd sum will get printed. So this is the program. You will take a sample input and check how this program works. So here I am giving n value, n equal to 5. Okay, so I am taking a I value, initial value I is 1. Here I am having even sum and odd sum. Even underscore sum, odd underscore sum. So initially 1 modulo 2 will return 1 only. So because 1 is lesser than 2. So this is not true, it will add it in the odd sum. So when n is 1, it is added in the odd sum. The value is 1. So existing value of odd sum is 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Next, I will take next I equal to I plus 1. I will take the value 2. 2 less than or equal to 5 is true. So initially 1 less than or equal to 5 is true. Now with this iteration 2 less than or equal to 5 is true. Then we come here 2 modulo 2. The remainder is 0. It will add it in the even sum. So even sum is become 2 now. So control will come out and increment the I value by 1. I is 3 now. And we will check 3 less than or equal to 5. This is true. 3 modulo 2. The remainder is 1. So it will come to else and add it in the existing value of the odd sum plus I. So existing value of odd sum is 1. 1 plus 3. This is 4 now. Next, I value will get incremented by 1. I is become 4 now. 4 less than or equal to 5. This is true. We'll come here and check 4 modulo 2. Remainder is 0. It will add it with the existing sum of the even value. So existing value is 2. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Here we'll have a value 4 only. Next, I equal to I plus 1. This is 5. So 5 less than or equal to 5 is true. 5 modulo 2. The remainder is 1. So it will come to else part and add it with the odd sum. So odd sum, the existing value is 4. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. I equal to I plus 1. I is become 6. So it will come and check 6 less than or equal to 5. This is false. Control will come out and print the sum of the even numbers is, here I am getting a value. Sum of the even numbers is 6 and sum of the odd number is odd sum, the value is 9. So the program is working perfectly. From 1 to 5 you have a odd numbers, that is 3 equal to 4. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. I am getting the correct value for the odd sum. From 1 to 5 in the natural number, we are having 2 even numbers, that is 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. The program is working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.